And another wet good morning to you, Tillamook. So the previous low pressure area continues to move off into British Columbia, but we're still having some unstable air rotating in, giving us some scattered showers. So far in the last 24 hours, Tillamook has seen from around 2/3 of an inch of rain up to 1 1/4 inches of rain in the area, with the top of Mount Hebo getting around 2 1/2 inches. Again, with the mainly southerly winds, the temperature continues to be on the moderate side. The activity should become less frequent this afternoon and evening as the low pressure area continues further into Canada, but then back comes more rain after midnight ahead of yet another warm front that's moving towards the area, with the winds tonight becoming southeasterly 8 to 12, the overnight low near 45. Tomorrow looks cloudy, rainy, and breezy with southeasterly winds 10 to 15 gusting to 20, the high still up near 54. The rain continues tomorrow night, and the winds become southerly 15 to 20, gusting to 30, the lows only dropping to near 48. The total rainfall for the 24-hour period Friday, between 1/2 of an inch to around 1 1/2 inches, with the higher amounts in the coast range as usual. This will cause increasing flow rates in the rivers, but they all are expected to remain well below action stage, so river flooding concerns remains low. It looks like Saturday the front pushes through and we transition back to showers, winds southerly 5 to 10 gusting to 18 with the afternoon high near 58. The associated cold front brings more rain Saturday night, still on the breezy side, the low temperatures only dropping down to near 53. Sunday is when things start to get interesting and difficult to forecast to a higher level of certainty. Sunday should start out with showers, still breezy, the high pushing up near 63 in the afternoon, with high pressure briefly building in and decreasing the shower activity. Only a slight chance of showers Sunday night. The low drops to near 53 again. Sunday night is also when we see an atmospheric river setting up and taking aim at the Pacific Northwest. What the models can agree on right now is where exactly will that hose be pointed. It looks like there will be a ridge of high pressure to the east over the Rockies, with a trough of low pressure associated with the atmospheric river off to the west. Right now it's looking like Monday into Tuesday the area of greater rainfall will be to the north. At issue is some of the models build the ridge stronger and further west, which would push the atmospheric river further north and keep us relatively dry. Others push the atmospheric river further south, increasing the rain for our area. In either case, it does look like we'll be seeing increasing rain later Tuesday into Wednesday. So just to break all this down, Monday and Tuesday looks rainy with a chance that it could be heavy at times and breezy also, with high temperatures still in the low 60s and low temperatures in the low 50s. Currently, Wednesday and Thursday also looks rainy with a slightly better chance of seeing periods of heavy rain, the highs around 60 and the lows around 50. A quick look at the river forecast shows them all up and down with the rain the rest of the weekend, and on into next week. As is always the case, these are subject to change with future model runs. Again, it's just something to keep an eye on. The river forecast for northwest Oregon shows the current rivers of concern are all over in the valley from Washington southward to near Eugene, likely the result of the expected warm temperatures adding the snowmelt to the river basins that will also be seeing increased rainfall. So that's it for this Thursday's forecast, Tillamook. This is a Tillamook County Pioneer News meteorologist Gordon McCraw saying, have a great day and stay dry.